Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a 4-2-4 formation on the eFootball game. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, open up the eFootball game on your device, and once the game is opened up and fully loaded, you will gain access into the home page. Now from the home page, you can go ahead and start any match by tapping on the match option. From the match menu, choose whichever kind of match you want to start, and then once you are done with selecting your team, before beginning the match, you will be able to make various changes onto your formation and play style. Just tap on the manager icon at the top left, and now you will find change formation. Tap on this, and now you will be able to choose from various different formations. If you tap on the default option, this will change the formation to 4-4-2, which means that there will be 4 members on your defense, 2 members on the attack, and 4 other members in the midfield area. Now if the formation that you are looking for is specifically 4-2-4 with 4 members on defense, 2 on the midfield, and 4 on attack, then this kind of formation is not available within the game. Once you choose your formation, you can tap on the next button to begin playing your game on your selected formation. And there you have it. That is how you can go about and change your formation within the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.